think it's having a seizure. That 35 robot. And with that, the sandstorm is over 6-all with a minute or 130 seconds on the clock. 50-84 grabs a cargo for the Blue Alliance. While 35-35 approaches that cargo bay. We got 50-84 going for a score. Hatch panel already on.
Shoot it.
But can they drop it like it's hot? Looks like the answer might be no. Metal Muscle flying down the field. Has a hatch panel in hand. They go trying to line it up, get it up and on. Will it stick? It does. Blue leading 18-15. While 55-33 looks a little stuck on the red cab platform. 15-84, those FridgeBots out of Corunna with another cargo in their grip. Can't get it to slip. Their partners, Owasso Operating System 5260. And pull one of those hatch panels from the corner.
That's going to bend the whole upper structure.
Their fingers. Literally, they've got fingers out there. It's great. Red Alliance going for another cargo in one of the holds of the cargo ship. And with 30 seconds left, this match is coming down. Red leads 29-23. Metal Muscle is on the platform. 50-84 is going for the level 2. Will they make it? With 10 on the clock, that FridgeBot flew. Let's count it down together. 5.